Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to add rows to the HTML table dynamically using JavaScript. For this I will be creating a simple HTML page containing a form with text box and a button, and when button is clicked, the content of the text box will be added to the table dynamically. Now let's start coding. Okay, now let's make a simple form. Okay, input type text, let's ID of that text box be name. Now let's add one button here. Button, let's suppose the value of button is click, and let's add on click event for this button is equal to add method. We have to define this add method in JavaScript. Now this is a simple form. Let's make a simple table. Let's give ID of this table be tvl. Let's write header for this table. There will be only one cell for simplicity, name. Okay, I have opened this file here without any content. Now let's refresh this. Okay, this is a simple HTML form, and this is a table. It is containing the column heading only. When this button click is clicked, whatever text is written in this text field will be added to this table. So now let's define JavaScript method function add. Now let's get reference to the table. tvl is equal to document dot get element by id. The id of table is tvl. Let's make it row. Let's add row to the table. Insert row and 0. One row we have to add. Let's make a cell. Row dot insert cell. We are having only one column, so only one cell. Now let's provide the content for cell inner HTML. Cell's content will be document dot get element by id name dot value. Okay, what we are doing is we are first getting the reference of this table using document dot get element by id method. Then we are inserting row to this table. One row will be inserted and the reference is stored within the row. Then we are inserting cell using the insert cell method to this row, and reference is stored within this cell variable. And using the inner HTML property of cell, we are assigning the value, whatever value user has given in this name field, to this cell. Now let's save this. Now let's execute this, refresh this page. Now let's write something Amit. Okay, now let's click. Now we can see Amit is there. Ram. Okay, Ram is added. It is coming in the reverse. The column heading is going below because I have mentioned the cell insert row value as 0. Now let's change this to -1 and let's see the change here. Okay, now let's refresh this. Now let's add some values. Okay, there is Julia. Now let's click here. Now Julia is coming below in the first row. Similarly, let's add another value, Tom. Okay, it is also added. Let's add Henry. Now let's click here. Okay, in this way we can write this simple JavaScript method to add row to the HTML table dynamically. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like my video, kindly subscribe it and share with other people also. Thank you. See you in next video.